For the first time, Samsung may have unintentionally given us a very clear look at what makes the Galaxy S26 Ultra different, and interestingly enough, it didn't come from a flashy launch teaser or a controlled press render, but from a subtle animation buried inside One UI 8.5 itself. What you're looking at here isn't a concept or a fan-made mock-up. This animation is part of Samsung's own firmware, which already tells us one important thing straight away. The design you're seeing is far enough along to be considered final. Starting from the front, the first thing that jumps out immediately is the punch-hole camera, which is noticeably larger than what we've seen on previous S Ultra models, and yes, from a purely aesthetic point of view, it does look like a step backwards. However, Samsung didn't just randomly make it bigger for no reason. According to previous reports, the S26 Ultra's selfie camera is getting a wider field of view, jumping from 80 degrees to 85 degrees, and that extra coverage requires a physically larger sensor, which directly explains why the punch hole had to grow. So, while it may not look as clean on paper, it's one of those changes that makes more sense the moment you think about how people actually use the front camera, especially for group shots and video calls. Looking closer at the animation, you can also tell that the bezels have been shaved down ever so slightly compared to the S25 Ultra, and the corners are more rounded this time, giving the phone a softer overall silhouette. The frame itself appears less sharp as well, with smoother edges that should make it noticeably more comfortable to hold for long periods, which has been one of the quiet complaints about recent Ultra phones. There's also a small but interesting detail around the S Pen area, where the clicker end now appears more curved and integrated into the frame, something that lines up perfectly with earlier CAD-based leaks we've seen floating around. Now, the real star of this animation, and arguably the biggest new feature on the S26 Ultra, is the new privacy display technology, and this is where things get genuinely interesting. Samsung has included a full visual demonstration showing how the feature works, and it's surprisingly straightforward. When you're looking at the display straight on, everything appears completely normal, but the moment you tilt the phone or someone tries to peek from the side, top, or bottom, the display visibly dims and becomes much harder to read. The idea here is simple but effective. It dramatically reduces shoulder surfing, whether you're on a crowded bus, in a cafe, or standing in line checking something sensitive on your phone. What makes this even more notable is that this isn't just a software trick. It relies on a new Flex Magic OLED panel, which means the privacy effect is built directly into the display hardware itself. Because of that, Samsung is keeping this feature exclusive to the S26 Ultra. Older Ultra models won't get it via an update, and neither will the standard S26 or the S26 Plus. In fact, based on what we know so far, the S26 Ultra could end up being the only smartphone on the market with this exact type of built-in privacy display when it launches. As always, nothing here is official until Samsung steps on stage and says it themselves. But when design elements, animations, and hardware-specific features all start lining up like this, it usually means we're looking at something very close to the real thing. And of course, as more leaks and details surface, I'll be keeping you updated every step of the way, so consider subscribing to the channel to stay updated. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.